If your iDevice's battery health is decreasing day by day and you want to learn how to maintain the battery health of your iDevice, then you are at the very right place, because in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can maintain the battery health of your iDevice. But before moving further in today's video, I want you guys to know that you cannot increase the battery health of your iDevice, but of course you can maintain it from decreasing. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into this. So guys, today's video is divided into two parts, and in the first part I would be busting some of the myths regarding the iPhone battery health, and in the second part I would be sharing the actual tips in order to maintain the battery health of your iDevice. First and most popular myth is that keeping your phone on charge over the night could decrease the battery health, which is totally wrong, because all the newer iPhones support the technology that automatically cuts off the power as soon as the battery is charged 100%. Another myth is that using your iDevice while charging could decrease your battery health, which is again totally wrong, because first of all the power goes to battery and then the battery supplies this power to the motherboard. So in this way there is a complete cycle without any loss. So now you guys might be thinking, if these two are the myths, then what's the actual reasons behind the decrease of battery health of our iPhone? So the actual reason is that we must be using fake charger for our iDevice, or maybe an unbranded charger like using a Samsung or Huawei's charger with your iPhone can decrease your battery health, or also using this sort of car chargers can also decrease the battery health of your iDevice. So try to avoid unofficial iPhone chargers on your iPhone. And the second thing is that using fake data cables, using these sort of fake lightning cables can also decrease the battery health of your iDevice. So always avoid using fake cables, this type of chargers on your car, and also try to avoid the use of battery banks for charging your iDevice. So the summary of this video is that always charge your iDevice with the accessories pulled directly from Apple's iPhone box. Always use the accessories that comes into your iDevice's box, because all these fake accessories can damage your iDevice's battery health. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Till then, bye bye.